what you've just said at this point is basically, we need to do this work on diversity, equity, inclusion, justice. These are very culturally, regionally, and historically sensitive concepts, but we're going to design it all in one country, and then we're going to export it wholesale to another country, not even bother to put it in the language of that country. And these are challenging, difficult concepts to take on board, even in your native language. And we're going to make people do it in their second or maybe third or fourth language, and without any consideration of their linguistic or cultural, historic, or societal background. And then those employees are then held to account for taking on this material. And, it could be DEI, but it could be other material as well, right? And they're held accountable for their learning outcomes for a complex subject in a non-native language that may not even be presented in a way that's culturally responsive. So there's that. So it can actually have a negative impact on their career progression